today's digital world, understanding the inner workings of computer is more valuable than ever. Whatever your student, tech enthusiast, or someone simply curious about how your PC runs, learning how to assemble and disassemble a system unit is a foundational skill. Not only does it give you insight into the hardware that powers your computer, but it also empowers you to troubleshoot, upgrade, or build your own PC with confidence. In this blog, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of simply taking apart, putting together a system unit. No prior experience required. Let's dive into the heart of your computer and explore what makes it tick.
Before you disassembling a computer, safety first. Before you start, shut down the computer and unplug all power cables. Disconnect the peripheral like monitor, mouse, keyboard, etc. And ground yourself to avoid a static discharge. Use an anti-static wrist strap or touch a metal object. Disassembly procedure. Step 1. Open the case. Lay down the tower horizontally on a flat, clean surface. Remove the side panel. Unscrew 2 to 3 screws at the back of the panel. Slide or lift the panel up. Most pieces have 2 panels. You usually only need to remove the left panel when facing the front of the case. Step 2 is disconnecting the power supply cables.